Welcome to StockSync. Today, we'll guide you through the Receive Email Connection method on Step 1. First, copy the provided email address and share it with your supplier. This is the address where your supplier will email the feed file. File format is an important setting. By default, StockSync Auto detects the format. If your file is zipped or compressed, make sure to manually set this option. For those using XML files, select the XML option and define the parent node. This is crucial for accurate data mapping. Follow this sample file to identify the parent node. The parent node is the main node, which separates the products. Optionally, specify the variant node if your feed file requires this additional layer of mapping. Once you've made all the necessary selections, simply click Next to continue.